She gets so pissed. Welcome back to the channel with Paradox the Rapper. Today we are going to be playing with my Chrome Chameleon drift car, my Nissan 240SX. We are going to officially join the big WANG gang. So I found a big ass wing off of Facebook Market for $150, and we're going to strap it to this car and make it look cool. So stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, hit that subscribe button so we can have fun with this car and all those other cars in the back. Okay, here we go. So it's a little windy today. It's blowing my comb over all over the place. But we're gonna go and have a look at what this car looks like right now. So this has always really bothered me ever since I got the car, is that it's been damaged right there. So you can see that this is kind of pushed in, and the level between this and this is like that much. Well, you know, whatever, it's a drift car. But you know how we fix that? We're gonna strap that wing to it and cover it up. That's how we're gonna fix stuff. So just a lot of tricks you can do to make your car look good. But before we begin, let's do a 360 walk around, because I'm gonna be changing the color of this car very soon. So let's enjoy this Chameleon Chrome while I still have it. All right, let's cue the 360. Oh, Bella, you're so cute. Look at her toes. I gotta grind these down or cut them, because they're way too long, and she does not like her toes messed with, at least when she's up and about. So you gotta catch her when she's laying down. I might just grind these off, like, you know, grind them down. The piggies. Hot belly. Come on, Chip. You want to get on the video too? Oh, this is the famous Chip. You guys know him. You guys know him. He loves to snuggle. Loves to snuggle. What are you doing out here? What are you doing out here? Get in the house. Go on. This, guys, is okay. So this is a Corvette wing. Look how big it is. It's almost as tall as I am. Holy shit. 70 inches right there. You can see it says Corvette on it. So this actually belongs on a Corvette, and I picked it up off of Facebook Market. I'm always going through Facebook Market and browsing for interesting stuff, and this is one of them. So it's got these nice brackets right here. What I like about this wing is that it's very low. So most of the time when people join the big wing gang, they got big wings that like come up to here, shopping cart style. I like it, but I think it's a little overplayed at this point. That was last year's, and this one I'm going to mount it low. So the nice thing about customizing wings and stuff like that is once you know how to do it, you can just play with the brackets. So let's look at this. Something like that. So we'll mess with it. Let's go and figure out how to do this. I was told that this was carbon fiber. This is a wrap over it. So we might just keep it that way. We'll see what happens. All right, here we go. So to make this fit, these two brackets right here is longer than the part of the hatch that lifts up. So if I mount it to the body, it's gonna cause the wing to block my hatch, then I can't open it. So what you wanna do is take this thing, we're gonna flip it around. It's pretty light, so it might be carbon fiber under here. I'm gonna flip around these two brackets and I'm going to make them go on the inside, so once they're on the inside I can mount it to the hatch, and that way I can lift it up and down. So this one probably go over here, this one go over here. That should be good to go. Let's hope. Before we get too far into the weeds, I'm going to show you guys how long this thing is. Shit, look at that. About 70 inches. Hot down. And on the 240, this right here, so from there to there is about 70 inches. So that's the key to making your wing look good, is for it to be squared with your car. All right, let's undo these bolts. Now let's see if it works. All right. Oh yeah. Okay. A little bit off. Yeah, this one's sitting kind of tilted up. You can see right there. But this one's perfect on this side. Kinda. So once I screw it down, it's good to go. But at least they fit on the hatch itself. Take a trip to Home Depot. I need longer bolts. What I do like about this car is that it's obnoxiously loud and annoying and very out there. But it's also very reliable. This SR20NA, you can just beat up on it so far and it's just fine. Depot. I'm looking for some nuts that are kind of longer. Right here. These are perfect. I already looked. I staged it, but okay. I'm gonna get everything from here. Nuts, locking nuts, screws. So we're good. Just need some washers. Yo, the sleepy eye mod. Sick. So you can see it reflect off of the chrome. That's pretty awesome. Oh, I love this thing. Okay guys, and there it is. So after all that hard work and modifications, this is what the final product looks like. Look at that. Sick. Oh man. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Huh? Is that tight? Is that tight? Is that tight? I think so. The ducks love it. Look at that. Ooh. Damn. Okay, here we go. Side shot. What do you guys think? So what I did was I had to adjust the little bolts a little bit and kind of drill my own hole right over here to make it work. Okay. I do want this thing to angle up a little more, like more that way, but I'll adjust it later. You guys done? You guys done? I'm trying to make a freaking video. Yeah, I mean, it could angle up a little more and it might look a lot better, but it's not too bad. The reason why I did it that far back so that it would sit like that, like with that back end. So yeah. I mean, some people don't run the bumper, and I might do that later on. I'll move the wing forward if I'm still gonna use that wing, but for now, we're gonna rock it like this. Well, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below how this wing looks. Of course, I'm gonna peel off that Corvette lettering there, and I'm gonna just put my brand somewhere on that wing. But what do you guys think? I think the ducks love it. Okay. Yeah, the reason why I don't really like this chrome because it's got that tiger striping. Ugh. I don't know. So that's why I'm gonna probably do a new color soon. But let me know what you guys think with the sleepy eye mod. This is looking fly as hell. Damn. I really love this wing, guys, because it's big and it's low. So I think that might be the new style. All right, guys, that's it for this episode. Let me know in the comments below if you would rock this wing on your 240 or any other car, or it sucks. Either way, this wing is a total come up because you cannot beat $150 for a 70-inch wing or bigger. So if you're looking for anything about this size, Big Country Labs or whatever this, they're selling it for like 700, 800 plus in that range. So this is a huge come up, and if you guys think that this is too ricer, well, that's too bad because I love rice, and this channel is all about ricing out things. So until next time, leave me a comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later.